What's going on, guys? Yella here from Forex Hero, and today we are going to have a little market overview for the upcoming week. So hold on tight and let's go. Alright, guys. First of all, I'm going to go over some trades of last week. If you haven't watched my session of last week, please make sure to watch that video again because I always try to give a lot of value, not only overviews but a lot of trade value as well in all my videos. So let's get started. Today, on my gold trades of last week, I was looking for some kind of a buy setup around here. We actually did a nice pull to the upside, but unfortunately we had a break-even trade here, so no biggie, but still almost went to our take profit. What I'm now looking for is still the buy opportunity, but from a lower level, which I said in my last video. I wanted to see if we possibly could go to our next zone. If not, then I would like to see some kind of rejection around our trend line and this support zone, which we actually see right now. First of all, this is not a financial advice, but just my opinion on the market, so keep that in mind. But if we break this one, this line, just say around 1839-ish, I will draw a box for you guys just to make it a little bit easier. So if we break this one and we retest it, I would like to see another buy entry. If you hadn't taken it right here, this would be a perfect entry for me. But I was a little bit too late there. So I'm just waiting for now to break this last high. If we break this last high, we will go for a new uptrendy market, in my opinion, and then we will see some kind of retest, and then we could ride it out to hopefully 2K or even higher. All right, so that's my vision on gold right now. Next one, GU, my last trade of last week. Also a really nice one. I think we just hit our take profit, or I closed on around this zone personally. So this was a really nice trade. Let's say around 155 pips take profit. Um, so that was a really nice one. For now, I'm just looking. Let's see on the 4 hour just to make sure. I'm just looking, in my opinion, we are some kind of making a bullish move still, because we are still making higher lows. So this is a little bit of a waiting game. Maybe we could see some kind of reaction around here. If we break the zone quite fast, then we could possibly see something like this. And then a retest around this zone, and then we could possibly see another move to the upside. Okay, but that's only if we break this zone pretty fast and pretty easily. If not, we could possibly maybe even see more something like this, that we go around this zone and then just move back down again around this low. Okay, but for now my possibilities are more likely to break this zone and go back further up. Just kind of the same thing like I want to see on gold, is just keep moving back up for the USD pairs. Next one, GBPJPY. Let's see, I just want to see some kind of rejection around this last resistance zone that could, yeah, resistance zone. It could possibly now be a new resistance zone again. So that is my vision GJ right now. Just make sure to wait to see some kind of rejection candle like a doji or a hammer would be nice before we can enter this trade. If we break the zone quite rapidly, do not go for the sell opportunity right here, but just wait. Maybe we could see more something like this then. If we break it quite rapidly, that we retest it again, then another rejection candle would be nice, and then we could possibly go further back up around this trend line. Okay, let's see in the daily. This trend line is drawn long ago, even the weekly, like this. So maybe this would be nice if we retest this trend line again and we see some kind of rejection. That would be on the long term a really nice move to the downside. But then we need to respect this trend line. Okay, so keep that in mind. Next one, EURUSD. Let's see our last setups of our last session. Our last session we had perfect 3 sell orders. We all hit our take profit almost perfectly. So that was really nice. After that we went back up around our first sell zone, and then we sold off like no other. Just really nice sell off. So if you had another sell opportunity at our first point of interest, our first sell zone, this would be a really nice sell opportunity as well. So it would have been, for example, something like this: 1 to 6, 1 to 7 risk reward, and 160 pip take profit. Um, so that's really nice. For now, we see that we are at a nice support zone. Maybe we could see some kind of break of structure. Just like I said before, like GU and with gold, I will actually want to see the US dollar go weaker again, so we can see some kind of up move. So if we can break our structure, on, for example, on the 1 hour here, what do I mean by that is this zone I want to see broken, but really broken above here. So something like this, really break above this zone. For example, go even to this one, to our last support. That would be nice, and then we could possibly see making another high low. And if we just make this higher low, this could be a nice setup for the long position. Okay, if we find this long position, my take profit will probably be around our first sell point of interest from last week. Okay, so that would be a nice setup, 135 pips, um, and a risk reward of, let's see, 5.4. So a really nice setup if we, of course, break this structure. All right. Next one, EURJPY. Let's see, another perfectly setup of our last week, or even 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, I think this one is 2 weeks ago. Okay, we had some kind of drawdown. I think 23 pips from our initial entry. So that was not really the best, but we still hit our take profit of almost 190 pips, basically almost perfectly to our next zone. Um, and for now, this is a little bit awkward for me personally. I want to see some kind of more rejection around this area. Maybe even that would be nice, of course. A break of this low. If we break this low and we can have a candle closure below this one, this would be a really nice one to see some kind of retest and then a sell-off. But I'm not really sure if we're gonna see that sell-off right now. Maybe we can go in some kind of consolidation again, like we can see here. This is, oh, it's a big one, but it's some kind of consolidation. Not really. The market's really moving to the upside or the downside. Um, but we are still from June actually for even May. We are in some kind of consolidation. So break of this structure, this support would be nice to see because we can see a nice move to the downside then. If not, we can probably see the markets go back further up again. Maybe a nice take profit would be around the middle of our consolidation zone, for example. If we see some kind of rejection to the downside at this low, for excuse me, at this low, and then possibly go even back further to this resistance. Okay, guys, this was it for today. It was a really quick one, but I hope you enjoyed. please make sure to subscribe and like and comment. If you have any questions, you can always message me. I will answer as quick as possible. And guys, just make it a great trading week, and I will see you guys maybe even this weekend, because I will drop some kind of strategy video, and I will have some kind of surprise next week also. So make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you like the video. It will really help me so much, and have a great trading week. Bye bye.